好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 8th lesson of the series Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. In this lesson, we are going to learn 3 characters relating to people. That is 人、从、众。In just 3 minutes, you will be able to read and write these 3 characters, and you will never forget them. There are also tests for you to check your own learning. You will be surprised and impressed by your own progress. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, the first word we are going to learn is 人. 人. It means people. Well, it's quite easy to remember this word because look at this picture. It's the same shape as we stand with our legs a little bit apart, just like this boy. So like here, left swing, right swing, the exact same shape. So actually, I just wrote it. The stroke is left swing, right swing. This is the word 人. 人. It means people. And the second word we are going to learn is 从. 从. Can you see? Actually, it's just 2 people put together. 2人 put together. And it means follow. And I believe it's quite easy to understand it. It's just one people follow the other, and the meaning is follow. We can see here when 2 words are put together, this one become a little bit shorter so they can fit better with each other. So remember our rules of writing from left to right, from top to bottom. So the first stroke is left swing and a long dot. Left swing, right swing. Here we have it, the word 从. 从. It means follow. One person follow the other. And the third word we are going to learn is 众. 众. It means crowd. Can you see here? It's just 3 people put together. 3人 are put together. It's not difficult to see the logic of it. Here, 3 is a symbol of many people. But if we put 3人in a line, that would be too long. So 1人 is put on the top, and 2人 is put at the bottom. So this is the word 众. Let's write it together from top to bottom. So the top 人 is the largest one. And the 2人 at the bottom is a little bit smaller, so they can fit under the top 人. Here we have it, the word 众. 众. How's it going, everyone? I'd love to see your feedback at the comment below. If you want to check your own learning, you can click the link in the description box or the video link in the end of this lesson. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。